Right off at the top of this video here, if you're looking for Sweet Restore Glycogen Support reviews and complaints, Sweet Restore Glycogen Support, scam or legit, whatever it may be, I'm here to help because I saw, as you can see on my screen, a very scammy, deepfake filled video claiming that Fox News broadcast something with Laura Ingraham and Elon Musk, claiming that they talked about this product, Sweet Restore Glycogen Support. These are deepfakes, meaning manipulate lip movement with AI-generated audio, claiming these famous people had involvement with this. I am not calling in this video the product a scam. I'm not saying Sweet Restore Glycogen Support is a scam. What I am telling you is that there's scam marketing happening out there. Whoever's conducting this on a scammy, strange, off of the official website. And so I hope that I'm helping you by making this video. Like this video, please. Sweet Restore Glycogen Support reviews. Let's hit play on this to see exactly what happens.
This morning, Elon Musk shocked the world. He shared a new way to fix liver disease and other chronic liver problems. It restores liver cells and function in less than 17 hours. I know it sounds too good to be true, but our editors checked the facts hard before we aired it. They confirmed it with doctors and the government. This is not a toxic prescription drug from a pharmacy. Musk looked at liver failure in a new way. He used bioengineering, nanotech, and human cell models. His idea will soon end liver disease, fatty liver, and long-term liver damage across the country. We thought the cure would come from a hospital lab, but it came from a factory. It is smart engineering. This trick works for mild fatigue or severe liver damage. It even helps if you're facing a transplant. That is why big pharmaceutical companies want to hide it. They banned Musk's social accounts right after he shared it. But our team found a leaked copy of the video, and you're about to see it now.
If his social accounts have been banned, especially on X, it would be worldwide news, of course. This is, okay, obviously, Laura Ingraham never said this is a deep fake, but I'm just saying the scam marketing writing, whatever. So if you're looking around for Sweet Restore Glycogen Support reviews about this product, Sweet Restore Glycogen Support, Elon Musk, I have the information you need here. Sweet Restore Glycogen Support, Fox News. Keep watching. Don't fall for something that has scam marketing. I'm not saying Sweet Restore Glycogen Support is a scam. I'm just showing you their scam marketing. Go see a doctor will always be my best advice.
I am Laura Ingraham, and I want every American with liver problems to see this. Watch closely.
Good morning. I'm not a doctor. I build systems, and every system fails the same way. At its weakest point, the liver is no exception. When we built life support systems, we noticed something. They didn't fail from overload, but from internal imbalance and toxin buildup. So I asked, what if the human liver is just a living filter? We scanned and simulated it layer by layer. And what we found shocked us. One key component inside the liver's cellular network regulates detoxification, regeneration, and inflammation. When it shuts down, the liver collapses regardless of age. That's why astronauts develop liver stress in space, not from alcohol or diet, but from disrupted signaling and oxygen exchange. So the question became, if we understand how to keep filtration systems functional in machines and in space, can we restore them? For the millions suffering here on Earth, that's when I called Barbara O'Neill. She understands biology the way we understand engineering. Together, we built a biological.
Barbara O'Neill has nothing to do with this. Sometimes people call her Dr. Barbara O'Neill, but I'm not sure that she is a medical doctor. I don't think she is. I think that's something scammers say. She's like a homeopath or a naturopath. I don't know exactly the wording, but she has nothing to do with this. She's being featured in so many scams these days, and she's made an Instagram video before being like, I have nothing to do with this. That's not me. And you might be saying, well, how come Elon Musk and Laura Ingraham and Barbara O'Neill aren't trying to get this stuff taken down? Unfortunately, whenever these things go around, I guess it's not that easy, or it's not worth their time and effort because the scammers hide, of course.
Interface, a blend of natural compounds that rebuild liver tissue, restore enzyme balance, and bring back full liver function in under 17 hours. It works at any age.
I know I'm just sitting here and you're like, why are we watching the same video, Jordan? I just watched this and then I came to your video. I'm sorry. If you already watched this video, trying to kind of document and archive it here in case it's ever needed in the future. So basically, what's going on here, after that video ends, a bottle of pills will load below that. And it says Sweet Restore Glycogen Support. And it claims you're just going to have to pay $23 and they slash out $210. Wow, what a great price, right? Claim your bottle now with an 80% discount. And they're going to claim like FDA approved and all that on the scam website. It will then take you to another website, shopsweetrestore.com, different website, might be the official website, I'm not sure. And they'll want you to buy the product there. And I noticed on the Shop Sweet Restore website, they not only offer Sweet Restore Glycogen Support, but also Sweet Restore Cleanse, Sweet Restore Iron, and I think I saw Vismax Revive, but it claims an FDA registered facility and a bunch of other stuff. I noticed this as well. Whenever you sign up on this website, shopsweetrestore.com, and has other stuff after that to go to the actual URL. I'm now seeing I'm now seeing Sweet Restore Keto and ACV gummies, Sweet Restore Potassium, and other stuff as bonuses, I guess, that you get. What is happening here? First off, it says you get a 2-month supply, 4-month supply, or 6-month supply, meaning recurring charges. I don't know. But the thing about this, under the form that they want you to fill out, I noticed under the Rush My Order button, which is basically check out, under that, which just doesn't make any sense, there's a pre-checked, it's already checked, says become a VIP and save 20%. And that likely means you're paying for something you don't want. And I don't know what's happening there specifically, but the fact that the become a VIP and save 20% is under after you already check out and it's checked already, not very good, kind of scammy. So I don't like that at all. So I hope that my videos helped you a little bit. Go see a doctor, right? That's always the best advice. I did notice that on shopsweetrestore.com, the phone number is 877-200-9802. That's for customer service, customer support. Sweet Restore Glycogen Support, customer service, customer support phone number, 877-200-9802. Email address is care@sweetrestoreglycogensupport.com. So what is the lesson here? The lesson is that there is scam marketing for Sweet Restore Glycogen Support. Reviews, if you're looking up information, complaints, whatever. There's scam marketing out there trying to sell this. There's no credible evidence that the company behind the product is trying to do the scam marketing. Could be an affiliate, someone misusing the product, whatever. It's on a different website. That then claims that Fox News broadcast something with Laura Ingraham, Elon Musk, Barbara O'Neill with deepfakes, and that's not good. And I want to keep people far away from that sort of scam marketing. And it then takes you to a website, shopsweetrestore.com, where it has a VIP thing selected, but you might not see it when you're ordering, and that's not good, and I don't like that. But it is what it is. If you gain some sort of help from my video, please let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. There's a thanks button down below. A join button is really big down below, but the like button is the biggest. Subscribe, though. It'd be really cool if you subscribed. All right, I'm out of breath. Thank you for watching.